Hey. Hey.
What?
You don't answer my phone calls? Why the shade, Sky?
The shade is that I spoke to your mother. You didn't think I would find out?
I wasn't hiding anything.
Look, it's getting busy in here, so you want something or not?
How about you just come to the studio after you're done? Let me explain everything, please.
Look, I'll come by to your studio, but you better not be wasting my time.
I just wanna switch locations. She said to me, come now, baby. Finish that drink. She don't want no conversation. Only one take. And that's both us breathing. Heavy and deep. She said she want to know. She said she want to know.
Since I can remember, my mom resented me for a bunch of reasons I still don't know why. Maybe it's because when she threw my father out the house, she was forced to raise me alone. That didn't help her chances of becoming a dancer. We used to always fight. When I was 16 years old, I decided to quit school, get involved into the underground club scene. So she decided to do tough love. Said if I got kicked out of school, if I ever quit, I had to move out. So I did. Maybe I'm as stubborn as she is. I don't know if any of this is making sense.
Trust me, I definitely feel where you're coming from. The only hope in life my mom sees for me is drawing blood.
And waste all your talent? That's crazy.
Your mom said that you were using me to get back at her.
She would say that.
So when I told you I was with Pulsar, why didn't you just tell me then?
I wanted you to get to know me first. I would have told you I was Jada's son. You'd have looked at me differently.
I guess.
But whatever my mom tell you, no, I'm not playing games with you. I'm not lying. I like more, but as long as we can dance together, I'm good.